Hey everyone! Welcome to day 1 of my AI series, AI for Everyone. I'm Swapnil Patil, a data scientist working in the retail and marketing analytics space. In this series, I'll simplify AI concepts for beginners and intermediate learners. So, let's dive into today's topic. What exactly is AI? So, artificial intelligence, or AI, is basically making machines think and act like humans. But let's not get too technical. Here's a simple way to look at it. AI is when a computer or software can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. For example, why try pointing backhand index when you ask Alexa, "What's the weather today?" and she answers. That's AI. Why try pointing backhand index when Netflix recommends what to watch next? That's AI. Why try pointing backhand index when Google Maps suggests the fastest route? Yes, that's AI too. AI works by learning from data. Just like we learn from experience, AI systems learn from large amounts of data and then make decisions. Let me break it into two key things AI does. Pattern recognition. It finds patterns in huge datasets. Decision making. It uses those patterns to predict or suggest actions. Example, when you shop online and see sections like people who bought this also bought. That's AI using data from millions of users to predict what you may like. Also, remember, AI doesn't always mean robots with human faces. It's mostly software running behind your favorite apps and websites. Some other cool places AI works: face detection on your phone camera, spam filters in your email, chatbots on customer support websites, even autocorrect while typing. So, in short, why try pointing backhand index? AI is equal to teaching machines to mimic human intelligence. Why try pointing backhand index? It's already a part of your daily life, whether you notice it or not. That's all for day 1. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the rest of the series. Tomorrow, in day 2, we'll talk about the types of AI, narrow AI, general AI, and super AI, and how close or far we are from each one. Thanks for watching. This is Swapnil Patil, signing off.